folks, this is Dawn from Create 28 and Create with Confidence. And today I'm going to show you something from the Scrapbooking with Me design team. This is Timeless in Teal digital kit. We're going to be using this kit for our Mass Make March. And until February 28th, this kit is on sale for $1.99. After March 1st, or as of March 1st, it'll be at its regular price. Either way, this kit is a steal. It is 102 pages of absolutely gorgeous teals, corals, and creams. I'm going to do a flip through this kit, shut up so that you can see it and just bask in its glory. Enjoy! Wow, that's some kit. That was the first time I've seen the whole thing through also. So I hope you will get this kit, and I hope you'll join us in the Mass Make March. I have had an idea floating in my head for for a while now. And the idea was an altered book. And I have just been waiting for the right kit to come around. And I have decided this is it. So my mass makes are going to revolve around this kit, this book that I've taken out about half the pages, and some of the pages. I hope you'll join us, and I'm looking forward to seeing you again. Bye.